Harbor Freight Bauer 15 amp, 12.5 inch. My box was a little bit dinged up, but you know, they always cover this stuff in a lot of. There's the owner's and safety manual. Okay, so there's the crank handle. And put that styrofoam back every time that little bar kind of went across there. Kind of like lift with carrying handles only. Do not lift with rollers. Okay, so these are the rollers. That's how you want to naturally just lift it right out of there. Assuming that's the carrying handles. I like this table. I mean, that looks nice. It's got a nice cord. This cord looks pretty heavy duty. I got another set of replacement blades here, and I don't plan on doing anything too hard of wood, but I just thought I'd get them along with the purchase. That way I have them, kind of store it with it. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with the product, Bauer products in general. They're not great, but I mean, for the price, they're pretty dang good. I've gotten a angle grinder and I've used the crap out of it, and it's lasted. I've got some of their Warrior products of Harbor Freight, and you can tell they're like 10 times cheaper than the Bauer line. So let's maybe give this a shot. Cedar. One pass. This is even gonna go more, but wow. Look at that. That's definitely good enough for me. I need to see what this side does. I mean, this ain't the same piece, but like a before and after. Wow.